Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying what Java is currently active. Open command prompt and run Java version, then javac version. Once done, download the JDK version you need for Windows x64 and remember the installer path. Make sure to copy your current Java home and path environment variable values into a simple text backup so you can restore them if necessary. This avoids surprises and speeds recovery. Now run the JDK installer as administrator and choose a simple install path like C. /program files /java /JDK Roman 20. You now set the system variables that control which Java runs. Open System Settings, Advanced, and Environment Variables. Create or update Java Home to the exact new JDK folder path, for example C. /program files /java /JDK17. After that, edit the system path. Add %java home %bin at the front and remove any older Java or JRE bin entries to avoid conflicts. Make sure you edit the system variables, not just the user ones, if you need Java available to all accounts. Click OK and close dialogues to apply. You finish by verifying the change. Open a brand new command prompt window and run Java version and javac version. They should match the JDK you installed. If they do not, check that Java Home points exactly to the JDK root and that %java home %bin is before any other Java paths in path. If changes still do not appear, log off or restart Windows to force environment refresh. One key troubleshooting tip. Run where Java and where javac to see which executables are actually being used.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.